Everyone hates waiting times, right? Especially when you want to glue something. It should be quick and easy. When something's broken, you want it fixed as soon as possible. That's why many people resort to a super glue. The proper chemical term for a superglue is a cyanoacrylate. Cyanoacrylates bond in a flash, yet not as long as they are still in the tube. Here the adhesive is lacking one important component, which it needs to cure: air humidity. As soon as the adhesive leaves the tube, it comes into contact with air humidity and a chemical reaction takes place. The adhesive cures within seconds. But why exactly does this happen with superglue? We already talked about what adhesive bonding actually means. While doing so, we also established that different adhesives need different conditions to cure. An adhesive consists of many small molecules, called monomers. With cyanoacrylates, it's like this. When a cyanoacrylate comes into contact with air humidity, the monomers form long chains. The monomers then adhere to each other and form polymers. As a result of these chains, the adhesive starts to cure. For people who are not that intrigued with chemistry, let's take a look at this. Imagine a group of dancing children. When the teacher claps her hands, the children are supposed to take each other's hands. The floating monomers, or in other words, the dancing children, react immediately to the teacher's clapping, aka the air humidity. They take each other's hands, and a bond is formed. Everyone knows superglue from their own experiences. They are not only a handy helper for arts and crafts or small repairs. No, they can pretty much be used for anything. For example, edge protection for metal sheet coverings, installing your car antenna, installing or repairing your bike grips, curtain hooks, floor tiles, or even your shower door. Did you know that superglue is used in forensic science to collect fingerprints? To try it out yourself, grab a small bowl, fill it with hot water, and put it into a larger container. Then take another bowl, fill it with a little bit of superglue, and put it on top of the other bowl. Last but not least, put the object carrying the fingerprint into the container. Then we keep the container closed for about 15 minutes. Then the hot water evaporates and condensates on the surface of the fingerprint. The cyanoacrylate does the same. It cures immediately where the fingerprint is. The fingerprint is now visible and preserved for future analysis. In conclusion, we can say that superglues are just that. They need air humidity in order to react. Once the reaction takes place, they often cure and handling strength can be reached within seconds. However, final strength can first be reached after a couple of hours. So remember, when it comes to adhesive bonding, it's always good to have a little bit of patience. Thanks again for your attention, and stick at it.